Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the timeless charm of cottage-inspired Christmas vignettes. These small yet impactful decorations can bring warmth and nostalgia to every corner of your home this holiday season. From vintage touches to natural elements, each idea is designed to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Let's dive into some enchanting ways to style your spaces. Rustic lantern centerpiece. Pair a vintage lantern with pine cones, fall snow, and sprigs of greenery for a classic cottage feel. Stacked wooden crates. Arrange wooden crates of different sizes to display ornaments, candles, and small Christmas figurines. Burlap and berry wreath vignette. Use a burlap wreath decorated with red berries and hang it on a vintage mirror for a charming touch. Miniature Christmas village. Set up a collection of small vintage-style houses surrounded by fall snow and tiny trees. Antique milk can display. Place a rustic milk can on your porch or entryway, filled with fresh greenery and red bows. Mason jar candle holders. Fill mason jars with Epsom salt to mimic snow and place tea lights inside for soft, warm lighting. Vintage tray centerpiece. Use a distressed wooden tray to arrange candles, pine cones, and ornaments for a tabletop display. Twinkle lights in a basket. Fill a wicker basket with twinkle lights, pine garlands, and vintage holiday books. Chalkboard holiday message. Write a festive message on a framed chalkboard and pair it with small greenery arrangements. Antique wooden sled. Prop a vintage sled against the wall and decorate it with a garland, ribbon, and a cozy blanket. Rustic birdcage vignette. Place ornaments and fairy lights inside a birdcage for a whimsical touch. Cottage-style mantle decor. Adorn your mantle with white candles, eucalyptus garlands, and a small wooden Merry Christmas sign. Tea trolley display. Use a vintage tea trolley to showcase Christmas figurines, candles, and seasonal flowers. Glass cloche ornament display. Arrange ornaments and greenery under a glass cloche for an elegant vignette. Play blanket ladder. Hang play blankets and garlands on a wooden ladder for a cozy country look. Enamel pitcher with greenery. Fill an antique enamel pitcher with holly branches or evergreen sprigs. Wood slice centerpiece. Use a wood slice as a base for candles, pine cones, and mini Christmas trees. Rustic window frame display. Hang a wreath or garland on an old window frame for a vintage-inspired vignette. Crochet stockings on hooks. Hang crochet stockings on rustic hooks for a quaint cottage aesthetic. Metal bucket with ornaments. Fill a galvanized metal bucket with colorful ornaments, pine cones, and fairy lights. Thank you for joining me today as we explored these cozy and charming cottage-style Christmas vignette ideas. I hope these simple yet beautiful decorations inspire you to create warm and welcoming spaces in your home this holiday season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite vignette ideas in the comments below. Happy holidays and see you in the next video.